If you already rely on reading glasses during your daily life, you shouldn't have to compromise on your vision while you're on the job either. That's why companies like us supply not only glasses with prescription lenses, but also powered readers as well, making sure that you're covered for every scenario possible. Having a dedicated pair of safety reading glasses just makes sense, especially if you work in fields like healthcare or electrical engineering, where reading labels and schematics is just as important as adequate eye protection. Now, you could opt for something like a traditional bifocal if you're switching between distance and close-up work all day long. But if you're just focusing on close-up, then you definitely need the full lens reader, because that will give you uniform magnification and allow you to lock in to the task that's literally right in front of you. When choosing your next pair of safety reading glasses, there's gonna be a few options you can choose from. Just pick one that matches your style, but also matches the type of work that you do, whether it's electrical or construction or whatever. And then from there, you can choose your reading power level. And don't worry, at RX Safety, all the frames that we offer are ANSI Z87 Plus high impact approved, meaning that your eyes will be able to see more clearly and will be fully protected. Don't do dangerous work without being able to see at your best. Head over to rx-safety.com and get yourself a new pair of safety reading glasses today. And if you like content about all things safety, make sure to hit like and subscribe down below.